Hello iPhone users, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find out which breed the pet or animal whichever is in your gallery. So we're gonna do it together and find out the animal breed and more information about it. So for that you have to tap on the photos, find any animal pic, right? And now this is the cat that I got. I slide it up and you see this area. You have to tap on look up cat. Now see, this is the information I get from the cat's photo. Tabby cat it is, and American short hair, and the more information you get. Now we're gonna try for the other picture of the same cat and let's see what are the results. I slide it up, tap on the phrase, and now see the same information is being given. Now I try with the monkey. I didn't get anything out of it, so let's just skip it and see more. The last one we're gonna try is a parrot, which was at someone's home. I slide it up, look up for rose ring parakeet, so it told me the breed and I get more information. That's how you find it about the breed of the animal. See you in the next video. Tada.